The tickets. Dos?
We cut the line here. I will explain once we get on the boat. It's really crazy here. This was Mexico like I'd never seen it before. We were in Playa del Carmen, but wanted to go out on a boat trip to the famous island of Cozumel. We're still in the line here. We're about to go on the 10 o'clock boat, but as you can see, the lines are huge, which I didn't know. I was here last year and there was almost no people here. So times have changed. Now that everything is open here, all the tourists are flocking to go to Cozumel. You can see the lines here. All the people are going crazy, trying to get on the boat. So we actually made it. We paid for a VIP ticket, and the guy that you saw, we followed him and we cut the line. So now we're about to get on the boat here and go to Cozumel. But it's really crazy how many people there are who want to go. So we actually made it through. We paid 1,400 pesos instead, so we would make the boat just to make the 10 o'clock boat and not have to wait until 11. It's so hysterical here with people. I would never have imagined that there would be so many people here. But I gotta hurry over to the boat now so we can get going. We had paid 700 pesos each for a round trip instead of the usual 500 pesos, $10 more to cut the line and get on the boat that would take us to the island. Now we're here, a 40-minute ride. We were still in the east part of Mexico and had gone from the city of Playa del Carmen to the island of Cozumel. The boat ride had taken 45 minutes. The whole island is flat and there's an airport close to the ferry terminal. Came off the boat here and now we have to decide what we're gonna do. Maybe try to go on a boat snorkeling trip or rent a scooter and drive one lap around the island. So here we have the main street right outside of the ferry terminal. And we actually paid for a snorkeling tour, 4 hours, and we're going to be visiting 4 different reefs, some of the best reefs also. 600 pesos, $30, and yeah, I thought that was a good price. We asked a couple of different people here and it seemed like that was one of the cheapest prices you could get. So they're taking us in a taxi here to take us over to the boat. We were in a 15-minute taxi ride and that was included in the price that we paid, and we went a bit further down south in the island. We're gonna be taking a boat from here and heading out. The water looks really nice here also. There is no seaweed here on this island because it's covered. So the seaweed is on the other side of the island, I would guess. Are you excited to head out to the reef?
I'm very excited, yeah. We're going to one of those beaches where the starfish are.
Yeah.
Vemos en el cajón verde. Bien, adelante amigo.
No es de pensar si salto o no salto.
So we're on the boat now. They said the boat was supposed to have only 8 people, but then we got to the marina and there was no boat, and we waited 25 minutes and then another boat came with now 22 people. So we're on our way out to the first reef. The water looks really incredible here. To the first reef here after about 20 minutes on the boat. Here is the island. It's a huge island. We were driving on the boat, and I think that's the end of the island over there. But we're about to jump in now and cool off. We're getting ready to jump in now. Amigos. Oh, all the people have already jumped in here. Apparently it's 35 feet deep here, 10 meters. So I'm gonna try to swim all the way down. Jumped into the clearest and most blue water in all of Mexico. We were with a group of people over here, but we lost them. I think they're over here, but the boat keeps going further. He goes further and further away. Over there, like really far away. There are so many groups here and boats. I don't know which one is our boat. Where is the boat? We were lost for a bit, but most of the boats were in this area, so we kept swimming and exploring the bottom. We found the boat eventually and started heading to the next snorkeling spot. Now we are at El Cielo. It's one of the most famous beaches and areas here in Cozumel, where they have starfish and the water is super clear here. So we're gonna jump in again. A good thing about Cozumel is that a lot of the island is very preserved and there are no buildings or signs of human destruction. We had come to an area called El Cielo, that means heaven. It's known for the really incredible starfish at the bottom of the sea. We had a great time at the snorkeling spot, but started heading back to the starting point. We are back from the tour, back here by the ferry terminal that took us all the way back here. It was a really nice tour. I really enjoyed the snorkeling. We're back here in Cozumel by the ferry terminal, and we're gonna be walking around a bit here in the town and maybe also get something to eat. I have some kind of red shit on my face. I don't know what it is. It's itching a bit.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
So we walked a bit and found a nice place here. We're gonna go in and check it out to see if we can find something to eat there. I'm so hungry and sweaty and sunburned, fried. I put on sunscreen, I still got fried today. Finally sat down here at the restaurant. I ordered a horchata. It's a really good drink. It's made out of rice, I think. Some kind of rice drink.
It's got sugar and cinnamon in it too.
And we also ordered chicken fajita and salad. We're gonna split both of those things. And it's so nice to sit down after the snorkeling trip. I was getting out of breath. We were swimming for so long and then we lost the boat several times.
Yeah.
And the boat just drove away.
Yeah, like we would swim towards the boat to try to get back up, and then he would just like start driving away.
I got my horchata. So good. Oh, it's so good. The food was amazing. Now I think we're gonna get on the boat maybe and head back to Playa del Carmen. We came 30 minutes early to the boat, so we made it. The line just continues far over there. We have to go through the security here again. It was a good day, really nice. I really enjoyed the snorkeling, but it's gonna also be really nice to get back home. I can see why people are getting more sick in Mexico these days. It's thousands of people here on the streets and a lot of people are not wearing masks. I have been fried. That was not good. I was trying to put on sunscreen, but it failed. Oh. I have to put on a shirt from now on. This is the end of the video. Thanks for watching. As always, leave it a thumbs up, post a comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel if you want to see more videos.